Jeff Mahler, co-founder of Lynx Laboratory. So the camera is the device for capturing 2D content. Simply take the camera, point it at an object or at a scene, press a button, and immediately capture exactly what the camera sees. But time's gone by, art and design have changed, and data has gone 3D. So in visual effects for movies and in video games, entire worlds are created and characters are animated in 3D. With the advent of 3D printing, if you have the exact 3D shape of an object, you can create a physical version of it in just hours. And in architecture, buildings are constructed from the ground up in 3D software before a single brick is laid. So clearly, art and design have a need for 3D. But the technology is not kept up, and the leading way to do this today is still by hand. Either using expensive 3D software, which can take weeks to produce a result, or specialized 3D hardware, which can take up to months to produce a usable result. And so for artists and designers, it's taking way too long to generate 3D content. And that's why we founded Lynx Laboratories. Lynx Labs was founded to create the device for 3D capture. Lynx makes smart cameras. A smart camera is a camera that records motion, captures shape, and does it all incredibly fast. And it looks like this. We're really proud to announce that we completed our prototype a day ago. This is the first working mobile version of a 3D camera. So what can this camera do? Well, stand in front of this camera, move around, and it will automatically track the position and motion of the joints in your body. And as soon as it's done recording, this motion can be applied to a character in a video game or a special effect. So this is running as fast as a video camera. It requires one camera, where solutions today require 10 or more. And it is 10 times lower cost than what exists on the market today to solve this problem. Now say you want to model an object, like a plant on a desk. Well, the first thing you would do is look around at that object from different angles. With the Lynx camera, that's all you have to do. Simply move the camera around the object, and it will automatically generate a highly detailed and accurate 3D model of that object that can be used for 3D printing or a special effect. So once again, it is as fast as a video camera. There's zero manual design required, no special setup, no hand modeling, and this is totally new ground. There's never been the ability to model objects in this way before. And now say you want to model something bigger, like an entire building. You're an architect doing a survey. We'll scan our camera around the environment, and it will piece together a highly detailed, accurate, and scalable model of that environment. That is not only photoreal, but has captured the exact 3D structure of the environment. You can look at this model from any angle, or even virtually walk around in it. So this is as fast as video camera, once again. It's fully mobile and automatic, no cords required, no expertise required to operate, and it's 10 times lower cost than the solutions on the market today, those lasers. And so all this was possible because we have a great founding team. We're led by Chris Slaughter, our CEO. The team also includes UT ECE professor Sharon Vishwanath and Dustin Hopper, as well as myself. So let's talk about customer traction. We've been in talks with some of the biggest companies in visual effects and architecture about our product, and we're getting feedback on how to make our product better fit their needs. We've also been finding ways in which this provides substantial value for the customer. So take one example. One customer was running a TV series, and to do this, to produce visual effects for this TV series, he needed 3D models of the set they were filming on. To do this, he hired 3 animators who worked full-time for $80 an hour, 22 weeks, and this cost them $211,000 over the course of the season. That's just to model things that actually exist. Now, compare that with the Lynx camera. You can buy the camera once, you can model a set in 15 minutes for each shot, and if we were to charge $4,000 for this camera, it would pay for itself in just 2 days. So customers are saying great things about it. What you're building is going to put me out of a job, and I love it. That's Mary Kleinkamp, for a local surveyor. Danelle Briscoe, UT School of Architecture professor, said, "This is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. Wants to use our camera in a graduate class next semester." And you guys are the iPad of visual effects. So that's Trey Cunningham from 1080 Studios commenting on the breadth of applications we can serve. And so it's not just our amazing technology, but our customer relationships that led the Austin American statesman to say that we are a good bet to make it. So let's look at the market. Between architecture, visual effects, video games, it's about a $1 billion opportunity. We don't have to stop there. We've been approached to solve problems in security, industrial tools, and even augmented reality applications for cell phones. This could amount to a $12 billion market. And we're not the only ones who see the bigger picture here. We've been approached by some of the biggest names in business and tech to form business partnerships and develop our camera towards some of these other applications. And in addition to working on our business partnerships, we've accomplished some other great things over the past year. We're the #1 pre-registered talk at GTC, a leading technical conference in our area of expertise. We won first place at the I2B global competition in Sweden. And we are finalists for SBIR funding, and my CEO informed me 5 minutes ago that we received the funding, so we're really excited about that as well. And so let's look at some next steps for us. So right now we're bringing up a product. I just showed you how the prototype today. We'll be demoing it after. We are raising $350,000 in seed round financing, and we are starting a Kickstarter raise in mid-January to really make some sales and get the word out there on this product. So thank you for your time. And myself and the team back there are going to have a demo for this set up back there afterwards. We invite you to come check it out and talk to us. So thank you.